Hello students, in this practical we will observe the radiation pattern of a microstrip antenna. This is a microstrip patch antenna which is a micro antenna, and here fringing field is developed, and we have to observe this radiation pattern of this microstrip patch antenna. And this microstrip patch antenna basically used in a mobile communication. So fit this microstrip patch antenna here in the stand. You can fit that antenna. Okay, so by using screw you can fit that antenna. Okay, so as per requirement you can fit that antenna. So we have to fit that antenna there, then make connections to that antenna. Make connection to here. Okay, so we have given that output of that microstrip antenna to this, you can say, antenna training receiver here as an input. Okay, so here we have connected. So observe again connections. So through this antenna stand we have connected dipole antenna here. So this is a dipole antenna, and which is connection, this connection goes to us. Observe, 1 minute. This connection goes towards the observe training, that is a transmitter, that is a output, means output of this transmitter given to this dipole antenna. Then this RF output of transmitter is given to the input of up converter. So these are the connections. Frequency selected is 1500 megahertz. Then next, in the receiver, make connections as a previous practicals. Down converter input is given to this microstrip patch antenna. Okay, then RF in is given to the output of a down converter. So this connection. Then stepper, this trigger or stepper connection here. Observe stepper of that receiver given to the, observe here, given to the stepper motor controller. Okay, trigger here is given. So these are the connections. Again RS-232 cable is connected to the PC here. Then we'll make display on. Okay, close, refresh. Here antenna training lab software is there, so click there. Click on antenna training software lab. We will get antenna plot system. So COM port 1 we have to select. So select COM port 1 and enter. After entering, this is a previous graph of a dipole antenna, so means folded dipole antenna. If we press dump real, means previous graph will be removed, this graph will be removed, and press next. Here stepping angle will take 10. 1 minute here. Stepping angle we have taken a 10. Therefore here stepping angle we will change in stepper motor controller. Okay, so firstly we will change the stepping angle here. From here go to the menu. When yes is blinking means stepping angle. By up down, this is a 45, 1, 5. So 5 on PC we have selected, so we can make it as a enter. Then at the receiver, same frequency as a transmitter we have to mention. This is a receiver, same frequency as transmitter is here 1500 megahertz. That is at the transmitter side we have to select 1500 megahertz frequency, and also at the receiver we have to select same frequency 1500 megahertz. And this is a, if we observe, this is a received signal strength. Okay, so all these are the connections. So previous position it is showing, so make it reset by making on off button. So reset, you can reset the stepper motor controller. So stepping angle is 5. Okay, so make it as a automatic. So go to the menu section. If manual mode is blinking by up and down, you can change, and press enter. After pressing enter, this microstrip antenna gets rotated, that is a position from 0 to 360 degree. Okay, so I have pressed, so that is rotating, this stand is rotating, or antenna is rotating, and here according to that received signal strength is changing. And now we observe the graph here. Okay, so observe the graph. This is a radiation pattern of a microstrip patch antenna. So observe blue line is progressing as per the received signal strength of the antenna. So some minor and some major lobes we can observe there. So this is a radiation pattern of a microstrip patch antenna. So observe the radiation pattern of a microstrip patch antenna. So this blue line is progressively tentatively, and we will observe the radiation pattern of this dipole antenna. So we will again, last previous practical, we will observe some changes. We will observe the polar plot. This is a polar plot. We will observe the Cartesian plot, but it is not taking. Okay, we will observe some 3dB. No, it is not taking presently. But okay, we will press this button, then we will observe, I think. Okay, so observe plot, polar plot, and make it as a Cartesian plot. So this is a Cartesian plot. Okay, so again make it polar, then observe the log plot. So for observing log plot, press here, so that we can observe the log plot. So this is a log plot, this is a polar plot. Okay, clearly observe. Then next we can observe again polar plot. Okay, again we can observe 3D plot. So press on 3D. So this is a 3D plot of a microstrip patch antenna. I will close. If you want to change the color of that plot, you can change the color. You can change the color of a green, then make it as a OK. So this is a color is change. So this is a radiation pattern of a microstrip patch antenna. So in this practical we have studied radiation pattern of a microstrip patch antenna, and manually you can take the readings at this receiver. This is a receiver, and here received signal strength is varied. This signal strength is varied according to stepping angle, that is 5 degree up stepping angle is there, is 5, 10, 15 up to 360 degree it is rotating. So you can take also manual reading, and you can observe the graph on the software, that is a AMI Tech software. Okay, so this is an experiment of a microstrip patch antenna radiation pattern. Okay, thank you.